Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another fresh vlog. In today's vlog, I'm gonna show you world's second largest dome and Asia's largest dome. Yeah, that's Gol Gumbaz. Gol Gumbaz has opened after 4 long months. So let's see how they're taking care during this pandemic period, whether they're doing temperature checks or no, whether they're allowing tourists without the mask or no. So when I go there, I'll let you guys know what they're up to. They did temperature checks and they had kept sanitizers, and the manager also had worn face shields and masks. So there's a QR code here. If you want to take tickets, you can take it online. You have to go to this website and register yourself and take the tickets. There's no offline ticket available inside the monument. Outside the monument there's an offline ticket available, but once you come inside, you can try this for tickets. Entry ticket is 25 rupees per person for Indians, 500 rupees per person for foreigners, and for a camera, GoPro or any digital camera, DSLR or anything, it's again 25 rupees. And if you want to visit the museum, it's 8 rupees per person. So there's a garden beside the road and you can see lots of trees, Ashoka trees. This is the museum. I don't think they'll allow videography inside the museum. So these are the cannons of Adil Shah's dynasty. They are kept in front of the museum. So inside the museum, as expected, we were not allowed to shoot and we need to follow the guidelines. So inside the museum there were weapons and sculptures, books, clothes and other stuff. The archaeology museum is open between 9 AM to 5 PM. So if you want to see the museum, come before 5 PM. But the Gol Gumbaz is open between 6 AM to 6 PM. Here you see the second largest dome in the world. So this is the GoPro shot. That was Samsung's mobile's video and this is GoPro's. Kind of a pond here. You can't even cover it properly with a GoPro also. It's so huge. So this Gol Gumbaz was built by Adil Shah II. It took 30 years to build. Yeah, 30 years. It was started in 1626 and completed in 1656. In 1659 it was opened. So these are the graveyards of Adil Shah II, his wife and his children. There are no one here. Absolutely no one, no tourist, only we two are there right now. Let's go on top and we'll get to know. So this is the first floor. We have to climb like 7 floors to get on the top. That's called the Whispering Gallery. The top floor is called Whispering Gallery. Whispering Gallery means if we say something, it will echo 10 times. The steps are broader here. So what happens is when a person climbs, his thighs pains because of broad steps. This is the second floor. So we are at Whispering Gallery, top of Gol Gumbaz. You can hear my echo. Hello, hello, hello. Sandy Vlogs. Subscribe. Hello. Hello. So from here you can literally see the whole Bijapur from all the 4 sides. There are no tourists here, like except us. There are 2 groups of people, and like there are no tourists on Whispering Gallery. Only we 2 are there. We 2 as in me and my cousin are there, and yeah, because of the pandemic no one is visiting, and I think people don't know that Gol Gumbaj has been reopened. Like just 1 week back or just 4 to 5 days back it had reopened. So I think people are not acknowledged about the reopening, and people are taking safety measures by not coming into monument or where people are there. But coincidentally there is no one here, so I think it's safe to come here. I think this is the first time we have witnessed, and we are very lucky that we witnessed. I don't think we'll witness this again in our lifetime because of the pandemic. There are no tourists to Gol Gumbaj. My mask is down because there's no one here. Whom will we infect if no one is there? So my mask is down. Obviously if we go in crowded places, if we interact with someone, then we need to pull the mask up. If no one is there, we all know Gol Gumbaj is the 2nd largest dome in the world. But do we know which is the largest dome in the world? The largest dome in the world is the Pantheon in Rome. You can see Patil Planet from here. Let me zoom in. Yeah, that one. Oh, that one is Patil Planet for all the Bijapurians. So we came from here. This is the entry here, and that's the museum. I think it's already closed because it's 5 PM. So yeah, that's the gate of Gol Gumbaj from there. I hope you can see. Can you see the shadow of Gol Gumbaj there on the garden? Obviously I can't zoom it in GoPro, but I hope you can see the shadow there. And this is the garden of Gol Gumbaj. Wow. So there are 4 ways to get down and 4 ways to go up, and totally 80 steps are there for each side. I think all together you can say like approximate 450 to 500 steps to go down and come up. Come to this lawn for taking photo with Gol Gumbaj. This is the most famous lawn because everyone comes here for taking photo, because this is the best spot for a mobile photography. See, from there we can take GoPro with wide angle, but with mobile you have to come here and take. So this is the best view. So done with the vlog. We took some photos there, and I shot the vlog. So the best part is again no tourists around. That's the best part, because we never witnessed without tourists, right? So we were absolutely lucky to come here with no tourist. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, please like the video, share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Until next time, take care, bye bye, spread love, spread positivity.